see how this goes. So, after many mornings, it happened. The latch that holds this lid down is broke. Got done searching on the internet, and fortunately I found a replacement. Only costs around $10 or $12. I think there are other options out there, same part, a little bit cheaper, but the reviews weren't as high. This one was 5 stars, so I went ahead and picked it up. Figured extra stars meant something. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and replace this. I've never done it before. I'm thinking it's not gonna be all that difficult. Let's see. It's a Dorman part, 924-810CD, cat dog. I did buy it online, but you could pick this up at probably any one of the automotive stores. I have no idea what it would cost there. This is a 2012 GMC Sierra, and we're going to go ahead and replace this latch. It's supposed to be right there. It's a Torx bit. T15. It's a little bit loose. T20, perfect fit. So it's a T20. It looks like it's just 4 screws. To get the inside cover off. Sorry about the noise, it's hot outside, so I have the air conditioning going in the truck. I'm adjusting the vents where it's blowing on me too. Well, there we go. Well, maybe not. Feel a little friction tabs. I'll make this as a brake video. Probably need a trim tool. Which I don't have. Yeah, Jim could use the engineer that designed this piece right here for their door handles on the interior. Probably wouldn't break. There's all these little tabs right here. Fortunately, they're all intact. Now, they did a change up to Phillips. So, now I guess I gotta go get a Phillips screwdriver. It's a number 2 Phillips. Pulled one of these little rubber bumpers off while I was trying to get it apart. Let's see. Probably gonna have to go get a pair of needle nose now. So it looks like it might be a signature there. I think somebody might have been proud of their work putting these lids together. I wish all my car projects were as easy as this has been going. I surely shouldn't have said that yet. I'm not finished. Don't expect any other complications. That's all I needed was a needle nose. Just stick that back in. If you're careful, these don't have to be pulled off to get this off. If you do pull them off, a pair of needle nose from the back side will pull it right back where it's supposed to be. that's it. That's done. So I guess really wouldn't matter that much if it didn't latch, but sometimes when we had the dog, we'll flip this up, keeping him back in the back seat. And if we didn't have that latch working, everything in here would be in the back seat. So, hope this was helpful. I appreciate you watching the video.